2. The Student Work Session. The most important facet of this part of the lesson should take about half the class period, is that students work on the task without too much guidance from adults. Too much guidance and too many suggestions will frequently remove the problem-solving aspect of the task, reducing it to an exercise that does little to enhance the mathematical proficiency of the student. Students should be encouraged to work in small groups or pairs frequently during the work session of the lesson. The standards for mathematical practice require students to engage in discourse as they construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. This can become a matter of routine if lessons in small groups are properly structured. The hardest part of the student work session is for teachers to let go and allow students to work and have productive struggles with the mathematics involved in the problems. It is tempting to step in and show the students how to do it. Students will look to the teacher for approval and direction. Instead of being quick to offer advice, the teacher should practice questions that put the responsibility back on the student. The job of the teacher at this time is to actively listen. As students are asked to explain their work or answer questions, the teacher should be listening in order to evaluate the students' understandings of the mathematics involved in the task. The teacher should move from group to group, listening to the conversations in order to understand how the students are working and learning. This is not the time to evaluate and make judgmental statements, or tell students how to solve the problem. Teachers should take care in avoiding taking over, which sends the signal that the students are not capable of doing the work. Instead, when the students are stumped, the teacher should ask questions to encourage them to persevere in problem solving.